Good evening. Myself Srilata.
Myself Kritika.
We are studying in Sri Satya Sai Vidyaniketan School, Bagepalli in Chikbalapur district. In our house, we find out a problem that my father is a dairy farmer. He suffered to clean the cow shed. We are having 4 to 5 cows. Throughout the day, he cannot bend and he can't clean the cow shed. So because of that problem, he suffers from back pains. So that we have find out a solution that we built a automatic robot. Our prototype name is dung bot. This will clean the cow shed automatically. If the person is there or not, also it will clean. Now let us see how it works. We used some wipers to clean the cow dung. If any obstacle will come in front of the robot, it will stop automatically and it will give the sound until the cow go aside. Until that it will give sound on. Now she will explain the components which we used in this robot.
We use components like Arduino Uno, ultrasonic sensor, buzzer, motor driver, micro gear motor, bevo motor, wheels, wipers.
We hope this prototype will help the dairy farmers who are suffering from this problem. Thank you.